Now let's hear from New York giant Christian Sicoli with a word about Rest More, my favorite sleep supplement.
Christian Sicoli here. I just want to give a big shout out to all the people enjoying a good night's sleep with Rest More. Rest More is an all-natural sleep supplement that helps people get a better night of sleep. I gotta say, myself as an athlete, sleep is probably one of the most important things and underrated things for us to focus on. It's huge for me. I've always needed my 8 hours, honestly, especially when I'm competing intensely. If I get 7 hours 2 nights in a row, it's a problem. I need 8 hours plus 9, 10 hours a lot of times too. So sleep is definitely huge for me. Anyway, Rest More, all natural sleep supplement, helps people get a better night of sleep.
Rest More helps you obtain natural sleep without all the side effects of prescription or over-the-counter medication. It's all natural and safe to use every night. So what are you waiting for? Try Rest More today and start getting a full night's sleep.